Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see, I have my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra phone. Along with that, I have the three back covers of the phone which I have purchased from Amazon. So the first case I have purchased it is the bumper case. Basically, you can say like that. So it is the case with the upper cover and the lower cover having the cut for S Pen, speaker, and the charging point with the shield at the back. Along with that, it is having the cover for your lenses as well. Okay, so it is a very good case if you stick it on the back of the phone, so you can always have a feel of a phone from the sides. You can grip the phone from the sides. The second case I have purchased it is a normal transparent case. So but it has a quality. It is a non-yellow case. It does not go yellow even after using it. I'm using this covers for over 3 months, and it is still in white condition. So it didn't get yellow. The third cover I purchased it is the normal silicone cover with the shield for the camera lenses. So it has a slider. You can slide up and down, right and left, basically, to cover up the lenses. Okay, so you when you purchase, if you have purchased this cover, you don't need to have the lens cover, the extra lens cover. Okay, the main purpose of this video is, basically, I have purchased one more. It's not a cover, basically, it's just a frame for my phone, back frame. And why I have purchased it, and I'll tell you after some time. So let me show you what I have purchased next for my phone. So this is the frame. This is basically, this is not the back cover, this is not the back shield, this is just a frame, metal frame, which I have purchased it for the phone. It is having screws on the top and the bottom. So it it does it just stick the phone from the corners, stick with the phone from the corners, and it is having the border for camera lens as well. So this is just a metal frame. Okay, I have purchased it. So and one more thing, it is having a stand here, so you can stick your phone, and you can always have a wireless charging with this cover, with this basically frame. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the back of the phone, and I'll show you what I have done and why I have purchased this case. Basically, it looked good to me. The second reason, I'll tell you why. The second reason is I have put a matte skin, basically transparent skin on my phone. It is a full body skin. You can see that. Okay, so I just put it, so please ignore the bubble, so it will go gradually. Okay, so this is a matte skin which I have purchased, and I have put it on the back. So front is having a clear skin, so I don't use the matte skin. But on the back, I have put matte skin here. Okay, so if you have if you don't have basically a back skin on your phone, you can easily put any of the cover to your phone. That's fine. But uh, if you have a back skin or back, back sheet on your phone, the transparent sheet, so while putting these type of covers on the phone may damage the skin. Okay, I'll show you how. So I am trying to put it hard into the cover. Okay, it's not putting sticking hard, so you can see it is also damaging the skin, the sheet. Okay, the cover. The second thing, I have to even I have to stick it from the bottom, so I have to push it, and it will again damage it, and again when it become dirty by the time. So when I will separate it from the phone, so you can see it start damaging the phone from the corners as well, corner of the skin. Basically, it's not the phone, it's the skin only. Okay, with this frame I'll not have this problem. Okay, let me show you how. Let me unscrew this frame for you, and let me show you how it look like after unscrewing it. Okay, so I'll keep the phone aside just for a while. Okay, you'll need a screwdriver for this, and let me quickly unscrew it. So you can see I have unscrewed the three corners of the cover of the case here. Okay, the one of the corner is stick. Okay, it's not having any screw, just to stick on the phone. Okay, easily stick on the phone. The other three corners have been pulled off. One major thing is that in this case is that the two corners are of the same size, and one of the corner is a little bit shorter, so that it can easily we can easily pull out the S Pen. Okay, so it will stick on the S Pen side. Okay, so I'll quickly show you. So this is my phone, and I'll put it easily on the, it is sticking easily, so it is having rubber on the inside also, on inside also and outside, so you don't have to worry about the corners, and the skin will be intact here. Okay, your skin will be intact, so it is easily stick then. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so how it is looking, just put it on the comments. So this is so I'll just put the upper one first. Okay, just press it a little harder to match with the screw hole here. Okay, the second big one, I'll put it here. Okay, because it does not have a S Pen here, so I'll put it here. I can adjust it. The third one, I'll put it here. Okay, so you can see the fitting of this frame, so you can easily pull out the S Pen. The charging point is there, everything is cover up also with the skin. So let me quickly screw it and make sure, because it is having very small screws, so make sure to take very good care of this, handle with care these screws. So let me quickly unscrew them all to show you the final result of the phone. Now I have the final of the phone here. So you can see that I have fixed the screws are intact, the corners, the frame, the lens frame is intact. We have a stand here also, so I can put my phone on a landscape mode or a horizontal mode. Okay, it will allow you to fast charge, and it is looking good as well to me. Just check that, like, on the bottom it is, we can also pull out the S Pen very easily. I can pull out, put it in the charging point, the speaker, the SIM tray is more visible now, and the the network area and the upper panel is looking also good. It is protecting the phone from the corners as well as it is having a back sheet, so it is protecting my phone and it is looking good. So let me know, how do you like this cover? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? What will be the best option. And if you have any other covers with you, you can showcase your covers as well. So till then, stay peace, stay safe, stay in touch, and like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.